Okay, students, as we have done these four formulae, the area of sector, area of segment, perimeter of segment, and perimeter of sector, and how to find length of arc of the sector. So let us now apply these formulae in the questions. Let us start exercise 12.2, question number 1. Find area of sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. So radius of the circle R is equal to 6 centimeter and angle of the sector is 60 degree, theta here is 60 degree. As we have to find the area of sector, so area of sector is equal to, and the formula of area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Theta here is 60 degree upon 360 degree into pi 22 upon 7 into r square 6 into 6. So it is equal to 0 से 0 कट हो गया 6 से 6 कट गया is equal to 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12 plus 1 3 132 upon 7 centimeter square. And if you want to convert it into decimals, you can convert it. How? 7 1 the 7, remainder is 6, 7 8 the 56, remainder is 6, again 7 8 the 56, remainder is 6, and this is centimeter square. So in this way we have applied the formula of area of sector when radius and central angle have been given. Now second question. This is question number 4, exercise 12.2. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. एक कोड है जिसकी लेंथ है 10 सेंटीमीटर, ये जो एंगल सबटेंड कर रही है सेंटर पे वो है 90 डिग्री का एंगल. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ कोरेस्पोंडिंग माइनर सेगमेंट एंड मेजर सेगमेंट. सी, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter. इसकी कोई भी एक कोड है, सपोज ये कोड ए बी है, जो सेंटर पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल सबटेंड कर रही है, यानी एंगल ए ओ बी इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. अगर एंगल ए ओ बी 90 डिग्री का है तो थीटा यहां पे हो गया 90 डिग्री. एज वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट. सबसे पहले माइनर सेगमेंट का एरिया निकालते हैं. अब हम इसका एरिया कैसे निकालें? माइनर सेगमेंट का एरिया निकालने के लिए हम सीधा इसके एरिया का फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं. एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट इज इक्वल टू आर स्क्वेयर थीटा अपॉन 360 पाई माइनस 1/2 साइन थीटा. सो आर इज 10, सो तो इसका स्क्वेयर हो गया 100, थीटा 90 upon 360 into pi we have to use 3.14. जो क्वेश्चन में पाई की वैल्यू असाइन करी हुई है वही यूज करनी है. माइनस 1/2 साइन 90 डिग्री. सो 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया, 9 4 36. 100 into 3.14 अपॉन 4 माइनस 1/2 साइन 90 की वैल्यू 1। तो 4 यहां पे एलसीएम ले सकते हैं हम। 3.14 एज इट इज, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 is equal to 100 into 3.14 minus 2 is 1.14 upon 4. So this is equal to 1.14 into 100 is equal to 114 divided by 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 7s are is equal to 57 upon 2 is equal to 2 2s are 2 8s are and 2 5s are 28.5 centimeter square. So the area of minor segment is 28.5 centimeter square. Now the second part of this question is we have to find the area of major not segment, we have to find area of major sector. Now as we know that the central angle of minor segment is 90 degree. So the angle of major sector बन गया ये, and the angle of major sector is complete revolution 360 minus 90 is equal to 270 degree, and the radius is 10 centimeter. So area of major sector is equal to 270 theta upon 360 into pi into r square, 10 into 10, 0 से 0 कट हो गया, 3 9s are 3 12s are 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 upon 4 into 3.14 into 100 is 314, 2 से कट कर देते हैं इसको। Now 157 into 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 5s are 0.5 centimeter square. So in this way, this is the question in which we have used the formula of area of segment directly, and we have used the formula of area of sector.